Most people miss this simple key to feeling healthier, stronger, and more energized. Are you one of them? When it comes to health, many people jump straight into fad diets, extreme cleanses, or calorie-cutting chaos, hoping for fast results. But what if the real answer to a healthier, more energized you wasn't about restriction but about balance? Here's the secret. Balanced nutrition isn't just a buzzword, it's the foundation of lasting health. And for beginners, understanding how to fuel your body the right way can completely transform how you feel every day. The common challenge. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by confusing diet advice, you're not alone. One day, it's cut carbs, the next it's ditch fat, and somehow fruit became the enemy too. No wonder so many people give up or fall into unhealthy habits. The problem, most people don't know what balanced really means, and that's where this guide comes in. The Beginner's Guide to Balanced Nutrition. Balance doesn't mean eating perfectly. It means giving your body what it needs in the right portions, at the right times, without cutting out joy. Here's how to get started. 1. Understand the core nutrients. Carbohydrates, your body's main energy source. Choose whole grains, fruits, and veggies. Proteins, essential for building and repairing. Think lean meats, eggs, beans, tofu. Fats, crucial for hormone health and brain function. Avocados, nuts, olive oil. Vitamins and minerals, found in colorful fruits and vegetables. Nature's medicine. 2. Follow the 50-25-25 rule. 50% veggies and fruits, 25% lean protein, 25% whole grains or healthy carbs. This simple plate method makes it easy to create balanced meals at every sitting. 3. Stay hydrated. Water is often overlooked, but it's vital. Dehydration can mimic hunger and drain your energy. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day and more if you're active. 4. Limit processed foods, but don't fear food. Processed doesn't always mean bad, but ultra-processed snacks and sugar-loaded drinks, those can disrupt your balance fast. Focus on whole, real foods, and remember, it's what you do consistently, not occasionally, that matters most. 5. Listen to your body. Hunger and fullness are signals, not enemies. Eat when you're hungry, stop when you're satisfied, and don't punish yourself for enjoying your favorite treat. Final thought. Balanced nutrition isn't about rules, it's about rhythm. Once you understand the basics, you'll stop chasing quick fixes and start building habits that truly support your energy, focus, weight, and long-term health. So if you're ready to feel better from the inside out, start here. The path to vibrant health begins with one balanced plate at a time.